Hello students, this is Pratibha, proprietor of Chalukya Academy. In this session, we are going to see type 4 transformation, that is reflection from Maths IGCSE. So in reflection, as we discussed, that you will be given a mirror line in the form of x coordinate or y coordinate. So let's take an example of triangle A. So now we have to do a reflection. You have to take a reflection of triangle A through mirror line, which is x is equal to 1. So first you have to draw the line which is passing through the x is equal to 1. So dear student, this is your x point, that is x is equal to 1. So through 1 you have to draw the line. So here I am drawing the line. Okay, now you have to draw the image of this triangle A. So while doing the image, you must be knowing that the object and image are always equidistant from the mirror line. It means if I consider this vertex of this triangle, if this vertex is 2 units away from the mirror line, then the reflection of this vertex is always 2 units away from the mirror line. So this is our mirror line. So while make the reflection, you should not consider this axis, you should consider the mirror line or with the coordinate which is mentioned taken as a mirror line. Okay, so here we will take the this vertex. So now this vertex is 2 units ahead from the mirror line. So here also the reflection of this point is also 2 units ahead from the mirror line. So this is the reflection of this vertex. Similarly, we will go to the second vertex. Okay, the second vertex is again 2 units away from the mirror line. So in the opposite direction, again it is 2 units away from the mirror line. Now when we consider this vertex, so you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away. So this is also 5 units away. So here this way we got all the 3 vertices of the triangle and we can draw the image of the given triangle. So this is how you have to draw a reflection of the given triangle. So this is a reflection of given triangle. So I am just write down A dash. So A dash is the reflection of triangle A through mirror line x is equal to 1. Now let's go to figure B. Again for figure B, you have to draw the image of figure B through mirror line x is equal to 1. So we need to just extend this line further because we have to take a reflection of this object also through mirror line x is equal to 1. So let's consider this vertex of this figure or the point of this figure. So you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4 units away from the mirror line. So similarly we will move to 4 units away from just opposite to the mirror line. So this is the reflection of the given point. So let's take this point. So again this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the reflection of this point. Okay, now let's go here. Now this point is again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away. So here also we will go 5 units away. So here. So dear students, we can easily so this is the reflection of this point 5 units ahead. So this is the reflection. So dear students, you can easily make out the image of the other points of the figure. So first I will draw this so you can easily understand how to draw the image of the other points. See, now I have drawn the 3 sides. I have drawn the image of 3 sides. So you can easily make out what will be the reflection of the remaining points. Okay, so this is the way we can get the reflection of figure B, that is B dash. Okay, now let's go to the next example. Now this triangle C. Now for triangle C, we have to form the image of triangle C by the reflection through the mirror line y is equal to minus 1. So y is equal to minus 1 over here. This is y is equal to minus 1. So you have to draw the line which is passing through the point which is y is equal to minus 1. So now in this case again we will go to each and every vertex of the triangle. So let's take this vertex. Now this vertex, now as I told you, now you should not consider this axis, you should consider this as a mirror line. So you can see that this vertex is 1 unit away from this mirror line. So again the image of this vertex is just 1 unit away from the mirror line. So this is the image of this vertex. Now this vertex, you can see this is 3 units away from the mirror line. So we will just go 3 units away from this mirror line. So this is the reflection. So when we go over here, this is again 3 units away from the mirror line. So it is equidistant as you know, and it is exactly opposite to each other. So this is again I am moving 3 units away. So this is the point. So this way we can make out the reflection. So this way we can draw the image of the given triangle. So again we can label C dash as the image of the given triangle C. Okay. Next we will see over here for this triangle. Again we can go for I think x is equal to minus 1. So you can see x is equal to minus 1 over here. So I will draw a mirror line which is passing through the x is equal to minus 1. So this is the mirror line which is passing through the x is equal to minus 1. So this is your mirror. So you have to draw an image of this triangle through the mirror line x is equal to 1. So again I will consider this vertex 1, 2, 3. So again I am going same units ahead from this mirror line. So this is the image of this vertex. Again this one you can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So again 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the case. Now again we will go here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this way we can draw the image of the triangle D. So this D dash is the image of the triangle D through the mirror line x is equal to minus 1. So this is the way we can do the reflection of the given object through given mirror line. Okay, now in this examples you are given the mirror line and you have to draw the image of the given object through the mirror line. In the previous examples you have to draw the mirror line as per the given instruction and then you have to draw the image. In this case mirror line is also given to you, object is also given to you, only you need to draw the image. In the previous examples the mirror line is a straight line. It is parallel to the x-axis. It is either parallel to the x-axis or parallel to the y-axis. Now here you can see it is not parallel to the x-axis. It is not parallel to the y-axis. It is a diagonal. Okay, so this is mirror line is a diagonally situated. So now here you have to draw the image when the mirror line is not parallel to any of the axis. You have to give the image where the mirror line is diagonal to the given axis. So now let's see how to draw the image of the given object over here. Okay, so now let's take an example 1. In the example 1 you have to, as we discussed, that this is our mirror line which is diagonal to the given axis. Okay, now let's consider this point. Okay, now let's consider this point. Now you have to move ahead. Now whenever the mirror line is diagonally situated with respect to the axis, you have to move horizontally first and then vertically, or first you have to move vertically and then horizontally. Now here I am moving first horizontally. So let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have moved 5 units ahead horizontally. Now I will move 5 units down vertically. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth. So this is the last position of the given point. So this is the image of this point. Okay, now let's consider this. Now this point, again we are moving horizontally and then vertically. So this is 1, 2. Now I have moved horizontally. Now I will move vertically down. So this is the way you have to draw. So vertically and horizontally. Okay. Next, this is the image of this point. Now let's move over here. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have reached here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have reached over here. Okay, now next is over here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have reached over here. Okay, so again we will just check this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the image of this point. Okay, so this is the last position of this point. So we just draw the image here. So this is the image of the given object. So this is how you have to draw the image when the mirror line is diagonally placed. Okay, now let's go to example 2 over here. In example 2, again we will fix any one point. Let's take this point over here. So we are moving horizontally now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now horizontally, now vertically, same units. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is our point. Okay, again we will take over here. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 5, 6. Now we have to go till this. So this is a 7. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we have reached. Okay, now we will go here. Now this is the point we have to move. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have reached. Okay, now we will go over here this point. So this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we have reached. So now you can see here, you can easily make out. Okay, now we have to go over here. This point. Now this point is exactly on the mirror line. So definitely again the reflection of this point is also on the mirror line. So we can easily make out the remaining, the fourth point, and we can get the image of the object too. Okay, so this is how we are drawing the image after the reflection of the given mirror line. Okay, now let's take the example 3rd. Now in example 3rd, again we will concentrate over here. So this is 1, 2, 3. We have moved horizontally. Now we are moving vertically down. So 1, 2, 3. So we have reached here. So when we are considering this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here also we have to take this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the image. Now here you can see this is on the object. The point of the object is on the mirror line. So definitely image of this point is also on the mirror line. So here we got all 3 points. So we can easily draw the image. Okay, next this. Now this point is on the mirror line. So definitely image is also on the mirror line. Okay, now let's consider this. Now you can see this is 1 unit ahead. So this is I am going vertically upward. So here I am going vertically horizontally and moving away. So this is my point. Okay, now in this case I am going vertically upward, 1, 2, 3. So after the mirror line we are going horizontally. Okay, now in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so this is the way. So this point is the image of this. This point is the image of this. So we have to join this. Okay, so this is the how you have to solve the questions based on the reflection. Thank you.